Alright, shalom people, you're welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can activate your Paystack business account. Okay, the Paystack account. So first of all, you have to um, create an account on Paystack. The link to the Paystack would be in the description. So after you create an account, you just follow these steps to verify your Paystack account immediately so that you can start making money or um, receiving live payments through your Paystack account. Okay, so first of all, you decide your trading name or your business name, and then you input it here, and then your online business description, your business description, you put that one to here. Your staff size, the size of your staff, you input it here. How much you actually plan to make in a year, you input that one to here. The industry you are in, you input it here, and then the category to you input it here. So when you are done, then you tap on save. So that's 1 out of 5 steps completed. Okay, so we are done with the first step, that's creating the profile. All right, so when you are done, you just tap on next. Okay, you just tap on next. So next you um do the contact information. Okay, you do the contact information, and yeah, so the contact information, some of the informations over here I won't be inputting them live. All right, yeah, I won't be inputting them live. So what you do is that you just input them inside the region that you are in. Okay, the region that you are in, the city, the address, the GPS address. This one is optional. You put that one to inside there, and you are going to need either the link to your website, your Twitter handle, Facebook username, or Instagram handle. You are going to need one of them. All right. So when you are done, you tap on save. So I'm going to pause this video and do that, and then tap on save, and then from there we move to owner. All right. So that would be 2 out of 5 steps completed. So when you're done with all that and you come to the owner section of over here in the owner section, what you are going to do is that you are going to have to input your first name and your last name, your date of birth, and then the country that you are in. Okay, your country, and then lastly, yeah, the identification document. All right, whether you are going to use Ghana card or passport or whatever identification document, you have to use one. So this one, you input your Ghana card pin, and then you upload a photo of your Ghana card, both the front and the back. All right, yes. So like I said, for security purposes, I'm not going to do this on screen, so I'll do that, and then when you are done doing all of that, you tap on save, then you go to next, which will take you to the account section. All right. All right, so when you're done with that, you would come to the account section. So over here in the account section, you select whether you want the money to be sent to you, whether through your Momo or your bank. All right. So if you select bank account, take note, if you select bank account, the minimum must be 50 cedis before they send it to you, meaning that um, the money will be kept in your Paystack account till it reaches or passes 50 cedis before they send it to your bank account. That is why I recommend you use mobile money. Okay, so with the mobile money, you choose your mobile money provider, and then the name, the phone number, and when you input the phone number, it will automatically pick the name on the account, and from there you just tap on save. So when you're done with that, okay, it will show you everything. Okay, it's going to show you everything. All right. Yeah, it's going to show you everything over here. So now all you do is you input your phone name over here, your phone number, your email address, and then your job title. All right. Okay, and then you accept the service agreement, and then you create your you verify your account. Alright, so when you're done, it will tell you that the merchant details have been added successfully. Okay. Um. Alright. So when you're done, okay. So when you're done, you go to the You go back to the compliance. All right, you go back to the compliance. You just have to refresh the page also. So you just go back to the compliance side, and then when you come back to the compliance side, you just tap on activate business. All right, tap on activate business too, so that you see right now the business is in test mode, and we want to make it go live. So when you are done, you just have to activate it so that you can now make everything live. All right, so that's basically it. The business is now live. Yeah, so that's basically how you can activate your own Paystack account. So as you can see, it's showing live over here. All right, everything is live. So that's basically how you can um up activate your Paystack account. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video if it has helped you, and give me a comment if you think it deserves one. Yeah, I honestly believe it does, and I would also be looking forward to seeing you as my subscriber in my next video. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial, and shalom and bye bye.